Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are safe. Today we are going to talk about Unit 3, Lesson 3, Rocks and Minerals. First, the Earth's crust consists of soil and rock. What is the meaning of soil? Soil is the superficial layer of crust which is fragmented and consists of the mixture of minerals, water, air, and decayed organic materials, where we put the plants and grow the plants, flowers, trees, all of these. This layer is called soil. Now we will talk about the second layer, which is rocks. The rocks is the natural solid material exists in the Earth's crust and formed of minerals. We classify the rocks into three types, which is igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. First, we will talk about the igneous rocks. Igneous rocks, they are the rocks that form from the molten materials which exist underneath the Earth's crust. And this material is extremely hot and viscous liquid called magma. If the magma is extracted to the surface in the form of volcanic flow, so we classify the igneous rocks into two parts, which is igneous plutonic rocks and igneous volcanic rocks. It depends on solidifying the rocks inside the Earth's crust or exerted outside the Earth's crust. If it's inside the Earth's crust, it will form igneous plutonic rocks. If they are formed outside the Earth's crust, so it will form igneous volcanic rocks. The igneous plutonic rocks are large-sized crystals where the magma gets cools slowly, okay, and has a coarse texture. But the igneous volcanic rocks, small-sized crystals where the ice cooled quickly because it's exerted outside the Earth's crust, so it cooled quickly. I have two examples. The first of the igneous plutonic rocks, like granite. Granite is pink or gray color, and minerals can be seen by the naked eye, and they are heavy, rough, solid, cohesive, and hard, breakable. But the example of igneous volcanic rocks like basalt. Basalt rock, it's dark colored rock. Minerals can't be seen by the naked eye and contains small holes indicating the extruding of the gases. Now we will talk about sedimentary rocks. To form the sedimentary rocks, I have stages. What are the steps or stages to make the sedimentary rocks? The first is fragmentation. Fragmentation is the erosion of igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks that previously existed by the effect of the water, air into small particles. The second stage is the transportation. The fragmented particles are transported by the water or air. The third stage is the sedimentation or deposition. Deposition, the fragmented particles pile over each other, forming sedimentary rocks. Now we will talk about the example of the sedimentary rocks like sandstone. Sandstone consists of yellow grains that are less than 2 millimeters in diameter. It's yellow, thin layer, and has main components in quartz. Now we will talk about the second example of sedimentary rocks, which is limestone. Limestone consists of mineral calcite due to the precipitation of calcium carbonate in the lime solution. And it's characterized by the white color and the smooth touch. It reacts with dilute hydrochloric acids, producing an effervescence due to the evolving of carbon dioxide gas. And this is the shape of the limestone. Now we will talk about the metamorphic rocks, the third type. They are formed by subjected other rocks, igneous and sedimentary rocks, to the high temperature and pressure. So it consists of igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks which are subjected to the high temperature and pressure. The example of the metamorphic rocks is the marble Marble is a lime type of limestone under high pressure and heat. Rough and white color if it's pure, and had other colors when it contains impurities. It's more solid than the limestone. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the